Ladies and gentlemen, this is a video guide that is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake Chrome update alerts. Currently, these fake Chrome update alerts attack Google Chrome browser, and it is extremely dangerous for people to download or install these updates. This is the website that is called Fixmostcurrentthefile.vip that is promoting these fake Chrome update alerts. You should not interact with these fake alerts. They are extremely dangerous, and they try to actually force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If people install this fake Chrome update, they are actually installing some unwanted browser extension that may hijack certain browser settings. So once again, do not trust these fake Chrome update messages delivered by the site Fixmostcurrentthefile.vip. And if you see any other browser pop-ups that promote such fake Chrome update alerts, surely do not trust them. If you have installed any third-party extensions through these fake Chrome updates, you need to access the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, then choose Extensions. So disable and delete any extensions that were installed as a result of such fake Chrome updates. I would also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. After you download the software, install the program and begin the research of your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other threats that could remain on your computer and to remove them and to protect your system from being infected in future. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.